Did you see that? And that? Did you hear that? And that? Did you watch that? And that? That's not magic. That's power. That's communication. That's us. Here's our world when we're on the job. Here it is when we're not. We have seen what our future can be and grabbed it. We learn. We work. We learn. We work some more. We become the best in the world at what we do. And we get there without being crippled by college debt. Industrial, commercial, high voltage, low voltage, wind, solar, smart buildings. It takes smart people to build smart buildings. Just saying. We built that, and that, and that. Because of our wages and health benefits, we take care of them. And them. And them. We don't just work in our communities, we live in them. Giving back to those who could use a helping hand. Creating moments to remember. Protecting and respecting our environment. We are individuals from all walks of life. Working as one in an organization as old as electricity itself. And we'll keep doing it as long as the sun shines, as long as the wind blows.